Hello and welcome everyone. This is the Uplatz classes, and in this I'm going to explain you that how easily you can make a website. Website is one of the biggest requirement in the present scenario. Either you are a well-established entrepreneur or you are going to start your own business. Website is the mandatory for everyone. But so many times, either website is so much costly or you really not have any kind of the programming skill and technical skill to make your website. But today, I am going to explain you very easy way to create your website by own without any kind of the programming skill. Yes, a little required. That's only HTML, but it is also the part of plug and play. So here you can ask me this question that why we should make website in WordPress. I collected a few points to explain you that why you should make a website in WordPress. It's easy to use. I hope every one of you are very much of familiar with the social media sites or so many blogging sites. So creating, updating, deleting and making pages is very easy on the WordPress website, and it is similar to the social media platforms or any kind of the bloggers. Manage your website from any computer around the world, but yes, internet is really required because your entire data, your entire content, your entire thing is available over the server of the WordPress. So there is no need to be worried about the data from where you can access. Now, no HTML editing or FTP. FTP means File Transfer Protocol. This is a kind of the tool by which you can connect local server or local computer with the server. Means you edit your web pages over your local computer and then you upload it over the server. But yes, this is also not required because your all the pages are available over the server. So and I will explain you that how easily you can edit your web pages, you can place link, you can add image, you can add video, any kind of the activity that you want to add on a website is really very easy. Even you can add social media links and social media content also. Yes, since my long-term experience in the digital marketing field, I am very sure that search engine really loves WordPress website. Yes, I seen that whenever we create website in different platform with a similar kind of the business, of course, content is different. Then I found that instead of a website made in HTML or PHP or .NET or Java or any other language, it takes some time, but the site we made in the WordPress take really less time. So WordPress site is really loved by the search engine. You have total control over your website. Yeah, because entire thing is database driven. All the content is already placed on the WordPress server that is totally secure and you can access from anywhere. You just need to remember your user ID and password. Of course, if you forget user ID and password, you can take it back. So there is no worry about the site cut. The design of website is 100% customizable. Yes, this is required when you are very expert in the WordPress. So, or you know some PHP programming language and HTML programming language, then you can only customize the website. Otherwise, you can plug and play, use and play on the WordPress website, and you can change whatever you want to change. I mean, banner, you can change the video, you can change the menu, whatever the things you can do. And in present scenario, one of the most and important things is the blog. The blog section is inbuilt in the WordPress website. So there is no need to do extra efforts to put a blog. So instead of wasting my time and your time, I just bring you on the panel from where I can show you that how you can make a website in a WordPress. So just wait and watch, and I'm moving you from here to this. Yes, this is the panel from where we can move to create a website. Now from here, this is the panel as you purchase your domain and hosting. The domain and hosting provider company will definitely give you a dashboard like this. From here, you can move to the C panel. C panel means control panel, from where you have the total control over your website. So now you are just moving or navigate to the control panel. In the control panel, you can see email account, forwarders, email. These all the things you can use whenever you are expert in the programming language. Now I am moving to down that every control panel means every company that are providing the hosting services are having the inbuilt WordPress software, like WordPress managed by the SoftClose. And here you can SoftClose app installer. You just go to the WordPress. From here, you only need to click. Just you click here, and now you are at this place. So from here, you can go to the install part. Yes, you can install. Simply click on this. Now, as of now, where we want to install it, now we want to install it in the this directory. Means the website is already there, so we are going to install it WP directory. Here it will be installed, or whatever the name we give here will be displayed. Like we give here uh, blog. So our entire content will be installed here. What is the name? Name of the blog. This all the changeable. Means you can change my website maxi. Yeah, definitely. And you can give the site description like keep yourself updated, because you want to update it. And of course, you need to have a password. So you can type a password from here. I'm just simply pass at the rate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it is okay. And we can change the email ID. Email IDs play a really very important role, because if you forget the password, then this email ID help you in the recovery. So I am just going to add email ID. So here you can see that there are so many things are available. So simply you need to install it. The rest of the things I will explain you, that these are the themes. Whichever theme you love, I love this one theme. Just simply selected it. This will be look like this. And if you want to see demo how your themes will look like this, you simply click on this, and you will find that this is the my site, name, home, about, contact, and each and everything you will be able to see here. And the wonderful thing is that you can edit each and everything from here. So instead of wasting the time here, I'm just going to install. Now it is installation process is start. You can see checking the submitted data. Now this is start. So it is very simple process that WordPress is installation start here. And yes, one of the important things is that when the system is started, it was the version 4.9.20, and every week or every month or maybe in 2 or 3 weeks they will update uh, their version. So how your site look like, you can see from here. If I click on this, you can see that your website is look like this. Each and everything is here. Why you are not able to see the images? Because the images are not installed yet. And how will you access it? Simply you can type here wp admin and enter it, and you will find no need. You need to give the password here, and simply type the username and password. I think DAS. So sometime we forget the password. This is the internal dashboard. So what I am doing here, I am just giving you a inside glimpse, and then I will move to a live website where I will install the plugins and so many things. So here this is the post. If you post anything will be display here. If you create the page, I like home, about, contact and blog. Suppose what I'm doing, I'm going to create a new post here so that you can identify that where this data will be visible. Okay, so it is the beginning and it is the starting my first block. No, no, this is not good name. What is the new? The time to change the style of website creation. And simply I make it publish. And here so many things are there that I will explain you one by one. So I publish from here and it is published. How my URL will look like? Simply I came to here and so simply I copied it, paste. My blog will be accessible from here, and from here, what is the new here? I click on this and you can see. Now this is the place. You can see this is the date format is showing. We can also remove this. Even each and everything means if you want to change this about by the about us, simply you can change it. Let me show how. I'm just giving you a glimpse, but entire idea I will give you by accessing one by one section. Like this is about, and I want to change it by about us. So from where we can do this? We can do this from here. This is the inbuilt tool. And if I place here about us and update it, then you can see this is updated here. So entire website can be customized. Means if you want to check some more thing I am going to explain you. Like if you want to change this icon, as of now there is uh, this link is working here, or this is the name, or this is something like you want to change the address. So let me explain you that how address can be changed. Each and everything can be changed. Now as of now you can see every box is showing with some customization, but this section is not showing. So why this is not showing? This has the reason, and I am bringing you that in your note. So want the address in the bottom, that is this area, or a mobile number or email number, then you need to come in the appearance section and go to the customize section. When you here you find that get more option with this the tool header, footer, template page. Simply go to the this section and you can find that this is the footer section. And as you come to this section, you find each and every section is changeable. Means if you want to place link on this, you simply click on this edit button. This is the edit button, and you can place the URL. I will teach you each and every section, but as of now, simply come to the address bar. I came here, and what I do, I'm going to change. So how I can change it? I can change it very easy. Even I can change the locations also. So this is very easy to change. So now very easy that when I click on this, I came here, color. To change text, visit your WordPress dashboard page pillar setting. So they're instructing me that I need to move from here to the dashboard section and page player by the setting. I came here, this is the page player and this is the setting and I am here. So what I am doing here, I am going to change its name and leaving each and everything just to show that how our changes will be displayed. And I made changes. WordPress is really very easy, wonderful, and amazing. And once you understand each and every point from here, you will enjoy site making tricks. Now, here I am going to refresh it, and you can see that this address is changed. So, WordPress is really very easy. Let me introduce you some options so that when I explain you each and every section, you can easily understand. This post section is for the blog section. Media section, if you want to upload any image or any video or any kind of the JPG PDF site, you can update that thing from here. Pages are the section from where you can manage this one section. If people are start commenting you, you can handle from it. Appearance, changes in the theme, like you want to add WordPress, Google Analytics code, any AdSense code, then this section will be. Plugin is the very important segment of this WordPress. Definitely, the plugin is the backbone of WordPress, because here you find the plugin of each and everything. Even you want to show some kind of the social media icon to share your content, you can install the plugin. Let me show you how it looks like here. Here are some demo version of how social media buttons look like this kind of the design or this kind of the design. Every kind of the design you can implement over your website with the help of this plugin section. Users, suppose your organization having 3 to 5 members and everyone want to update the website, so you can create their individual account. Tool available, tool, so many things. I will explain you these all the things. So as of now, it is very easy to create a website in WordPress. Let me summarize you entire things one by one. First of all, you log in to the account of your domain and hosting provider. You simply go to the C panel. In the C panel, you go on and find that where is the uh, app installer. You click on the WordPress. Simply you reach to the WordPress, and here you proceed with the install now. You click. Even you can see here also that this one is installed already. You click on the install now. Here, this is your domain name, and if you want to uh, make website over the domain, then there is no need to add this directly. You can simply remove it, then the site will be uploaded on that position. What you did here, you change its name or remove it. You give in the name of the site, you give in the site description, you add the username, you give in the password, you change the email ID, and from here you selected the theme and install. As you start installing, your web page look like this. So here, each and everything you can change. How the changes will be implemented, I will explain you in a next lecture, because the next one is just going to explain you that how to edit the content, how to add the image, how to change the links of here, how to add the social media links, and so on. So entire thing I'm going to explain you in my next video, because if I explain everything in a one video, then it's become the very clumsy and costly. So let's wait for my second video to edit the WordPress. So let me bring you back on my slides where I said you easy to use. Yes, I hope you understand that how easily you can make a website with the help of WordPress. So stay tuned with me to learn more and more things in the WordPress website creation. Have a great day. Thank you.